For an audio description version, courtesy of Scribely, click the link in the description.
Hey everyone, it's me, Lachi, and I'm a black girl going blind, just trying to stay fabulous. I'm here to motivate and educate. And if you want to stay fabulous with me, just hit that subscribe button and hell, hit the bell. So today is finally the day. We are going to be skydiving. Yes, Lachi, the blind girl. This is my first thing off my bucket list that I've been bragging about doing forever. So we flew out to Piedmont Skydiving here in North Carolina at the Mid-Carolinas Airfield, and we are going to jump out of a plane. Blind girl skydiving! Let's fill out their insane paperwork, get suited up, and then let's go jump out of the sky. All right, folks, step one is to sign your life away on this hefty 6-page waiver. Are you okay to die and not sue us? Yes.
Hi there. My name's Countess. I'm going to be Lachi's instructor. I have about 6,000 jumps, 3,000 tandem jumps. That's what we're going to be doing today.
How high are we going to be going?
We're going to go up 13,000 feet.
Okay.
And then, yeah, we're going to come down at about 130 miles an hour.
Okay, wow. Up and down, just like my life.
Woke up in this miracle. Forced to choose a side. And the air is cold.
We're all dressed up now, like I said. It's going to be a little bit loosey-goosey.
Oh, okay.
For us to get out successfully, you just need to get your feet out of the plane. I'll scoot your butt up to the edge, hold on to me, lean back, and I'll say, you want to go? And you'll say, no, no, no. I'll say, go, go, go. All right.
Well, I did sign the waiver.
We do have 2 parachutes. If one doesn't work, we have an option.
Okay.
You look like you're pretty lucky, though.
I am lucky a lady tonight. We're here with Kayla, who's also going to be jumping with us. Kayla!
Me and my muffin are going to go on the skydive and do a video of Lachi while she plummets towards the earth at like 120, 140 miles an hour. First, I will crawl out and I will hang on to the outside of the airplane, literally, just like by a bar.
You seem really cool for someone who's just going to be hanging on to the side of a moving air vehicle. For whatever reason, I'm not scared yet.
I think Lachi has the right personality for skydiving.
Oh yeah,
She's ready
no,
for the adrenaline.
this is right as rain.
Right up her alley.
Okay, wait. Pause it. So, Arthur, we're filming.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
Oh.
And JD also, the laughter behind the camera that we just told Arthur about.
Don't worry, you can cut it out in post.
Just scoot over a little bit. Go ahead and sit right here.
I'll slide this way. A little trip.
Lachi and Charlie going skydiving. Follow me.
We are off the ground. We are in the air, guys. This is actually happening. Y'all didn't think it was happening? It's happening.
job, Lachi. A little emotional, right?
I got a bug too.
And we'll get up here just in case we have ants, right? Just in case we got some ants.
I have no control over my body right now.
Good work, girl.
Ooh, are we on? Yo, guess what? We jumped. We jumped. Yes. Guess who still got their lashes and their nails intact? Yeah. Guys, we just jumped offbeat. The offbeat, we just took a flight, guys. They were like, we will drop you. Oh my God! The scariest part was the first fallout. And you're just like, uh-oh, I'm jumping to my death. Hey, Kayla and I played patty cake in the air. That was intense. Oh my God, group shot.
See you next time.
Hey guys, next jump.
Next jump.
Oh, and the goggles.
Kept your hairdo, did?
Got the hairdo still intact. Woo!
This potty mouth, though, is going to need you guys to just met.
Oh yeah, I got so much.
I did not expect so many different curse words.
I learn new ones every day from her.
I did. I'm like, Jesus, Mary, Joseph, Thomas Aquinas.
Signing off. Gonna do it again soon, right?
We'll get him to do it. Him and JD's got to go next time.
Yeah, nah.
Yeah, nah.
Yeah, nah. All right, guys. Turns out a blind girl can skydive. I just jumped out of the sky. Holy crap. Okay. Huge thank you to Piedmont Skydiving for getting me back onto the ground safe and sound. Check one off the bucket list. Done. Thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of this episode. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to continue down this journey with me. A black girl going blind, just trying to stay fabulous. Lots more to come. So stay tuned.